So hello and welcome back to this channel, and today we have an amazing tutorial for you guys. It's the recent dance video we did on Kizz Daniel's song called Cough. Yes, and it's so simple. And I'm here today with, to my right, Vadim and Karen. Yeah, so let's start. So the first step, well, the song goes like, I want to flex my love. So we're going to do, I want to, yes. You step with your right leg and then your right shoulder hits forward. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8. I want to. So I want to flex my love. We go flex my love. Yes, we do this shape with our left, with the fingers of our left hand. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8. I want to flex my love. Good. So the next step we go like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And the 1, 2, 3, we throw our right leg forward that way. 1, and then you bring it here. 2, and then you drop 3 with your arms pointing downwards. So we go from top 5, 6, 7, 8. I want to flex my love. 1, 2, 3. Good. If you feel at any point that we're going too fast, remember you can always slow down the video or rewind. So the next step after this, we bring our right leg backwards that way. 1, then we put our left leg towards the left side. So we go like, so we are here 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Again 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and then we go and 2. Good. 5. Let's start from this point. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 1 and 2. Good. The next step, we're going to lift our right leg like that. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you put them down. Yes. So from top 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. I want to flex my love. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Good. This next step is very easy. You just stand on your heels that way, and your toes point outwards. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. I want to. Good. And we go from top 5, 6, 7, 8. I want to flex my love. 1, 2, 3, and 1 and 2 and 3. I want to carry my love away. Good. This next step, we're throwing our right leg again, but towards the left side. We are kicking. Yeah, we are kicking. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and then 5. sorry. 5, 6. So 5, 6, 7, 8. You kick, and then you turn it. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You kick. Now after you kick and the right leg again. Do 1, bring it back, 2, then 3, left leg. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. But it goes fast. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Again 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. So we are in this position where 1, 2, 3. We are facing this way, 45 degrees. Yes, 45 degrees. Put your hands over here. Put your hands over here. And then you lift your arms. Yes. So after 5, 6, 7, 8, we go 1, 2, 3. Yes. The moment you're doing 3, your hands should already be here. Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. And then we go down and up. Your waist goes down and up. Down and up. Twice. 5, 6, 7, 8. Down and up. Down and up. Now let's try from top. 5, 6, 7, 8. I want to flex my love. 1, 2, 3, and 1 and 2 and 3. I want to carry my love away to a place she likes. 1, 2, 3, and 1 and 2. Good, good. So far so good. So after doing 1 and 2, we're going to move. We're going to jump towards our left side. Let's move this way for the sake of current. So we continue from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, then 1. You kick. You put your right leg forward, but your left leg goes a little bit backwards. That way. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Then bring it back. Tap. Now lift your left leg and your right leg on the floor. 5, 6. Let's start from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 3. So we go 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Bring it back. Huh? Oh, 5, 6, 7, 8. No. So we go again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Good. Yeah. Now this next step, easy peasy, easy peasy. We're going to twist our body like this. 1, 2, 3. Again, 5. We're going to twist our body. We go 5, 6, 7, 8 this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit. We are hitting on our right side. So again, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit. So that's, I want to carry my love away. So good. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want to carry my love away to a place she likes. Good. After hitting place she likes, we go, put your right hand like this. Yes, we go, push it forward. And your right leg, you see what has happened to our right leg. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1. Bring it back, 2, and then 3. Yes. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. From top. 5, 6, 7, 8. I want to flex my love. 1, 2, 3, and 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, to a place she likes. Da, da, da. So now we have arrived at the chorus. So easy. The first part of the chorus, we're going to do this. You step towards the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 2, 3, 4. Good. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, da, 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 da. And then we go, put your, stretch your right knee that way. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go in and da, da. We go like, it goes like 1, 2, 3, da, da. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, da, da. Right hand is going to go like this. Front, back. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Front, back. Then put your left hand here. And then you hit with your right hand. So we go again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Front, back, left, right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Front, back, left, right. Good. So far so good.
So hey guys, it's your boy Keystone, and my favorite part of this song is the chorus part, and the moves goes like, the first step is a jump, then your hands on your knees. We start with the feet. The feet move 1, 2, 3. Your shoulders opposite with your feet, like 1, 2, 3. Then you make another jump with the left, hands on your knees. Then you do the same thing. 1, 2, 3. Then you make another jump. 1, 2, 3. Another jump. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7, go. Da, 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 and jump and da, 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 and jump and da, 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 and jump and da, da, da. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Peace out. Bye-bye.